Once iconic, now left to fade. Every scar tells a long story. Rescued from decades of silence.
Has nearly vanished.
This is why many walk away.
A small bend with big consequences. The engine tells its own story.
Nothing moves anymore.
The cabin has aged just as hard. Even the numbers feel tired.
Safety comes first.
The teardown begins. Every part is carefully set aside. Nothing gives up easily.
Order matters in restoration.
Nothing is rushed.
Parts break easily. The nose comes apart.
Every piece has a place.
Rust hides between layers. This has to be addressed properly.
Truth.
Comfort gave way long ago.
Worst area is confirmed.
Only solid metal stays. The rot is removed completely.
This metal has done its time.
Strength returns in the right shape.
Everything depends on this foundation. Strength, without drawing attention.
Clean metal lasts longer.
Rust won't return easily. Geometry must be corrected. Small numbers make a big difference. The chassis slowly relaxes.
This is the car's backbone.
The rear needs the same honesty.
Original lines are respected.
Bare steel gets sealed immediately.
Clean parts make clean work.
Heart comes out for inspection. This is where answers begin.
Years without movement leave marks.
This can't be ignored.
Time and cost just changed.
Correct parts matter. Whoa.
This one tells a better story.
It served long enough.
Friction is the enemy.
Precision brings engines back to life. Balance prevents damage. Movement returns to the top end.
This defines how the engine breathes.
The top end is complete.
The car becomes whole again. Everything starts with a solid mount.
Old fuel systems can't be trusted. Electricity needs clean paths.
Heat is the silent enemy. Simple systems still need care.
Modern fixes, classic methods.
Timing is everything. This engine gets a new start.
No shortcuts before firing.
Small clarity brings the cabin back.
Only the structure stays. Comfort without changing character.
It should feel like 1971.
Patina stays, grime goes.
The driving position returns.
Quiet details matter.
Surface defines the finish.
Everything shows at this stage.
Past returns, one layer at a time. Or is needed. Just enough to let the shape speak.
A A proper shut starts here.
A tight close is a good sign.
Nothing should rattle. Confidence starts here.
The chassis is ready to move.
Nothing is left to chance.
The system wakes up.
Every rebuild leads here.
Six cylinders, perfectly balanced. The hard part is over.
Control starts with confidence.
What it was built for.